Alright, everybody. I'm out exploring today. This is a brand spanking new spot. Something there. Anyway, never been in here before. Always thought about coming in here. Finally got permission. So I'm gonna get off here. No well over there. Man, I don't know what's in here, but I'm gonna find out and let y'all know. Later. Alright, I just walked over here by this well. Thought I'd do a little detecting here in a little bit after I check things out. I looked in that well. I ain't gonna put my camera close to it. I don't want to drop it, but it's a deep old thing. But it's got writing on it. I thought that's kind of cool. Got writing in the concrete. I guess it probably tells the date they put that on there. Pretty cool. I guess that's a name there, I guess. Well, it's Rosemary, I think it says. Something Rosemary. Pretty cool. But I'm looking around here and there's bottles and stuff scattered around over here. And looking right there is a William Atlas. Oh, look at there. The lid's laying there too. Cool. That's awesome. One of them Atlas Easy Seals. Got a little moss growing in it. And there's the lid right there beside it. That's cool. Cool as heck. It's laying on top of the ground here. And old tire. There's some more bottles in here. But I'll look around a little. Maybe I'll find something cool. Later, y'all. Alright, just a minute later. I looked down here, I saw something blue. See the other end of it. Some kind of sign. Some kind of sign, I don't know. I'm gonna pull it out of there and see what it is. Oh. Well, nothing on that side. And looks like it had something on it at one time. Stickers, I guess. Huh. Ain't no telling. Ohio. Oh, it's upside down. Huh. Who knows? Probably clean it up and see what it said. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can see where it had stickers on it. Pretty cool. Later, y'all. Alrighty. Quick video. That's that sign. I cleaned all the dirt off of it. Pretty cool. It's rough. But it says designed and built by McNally Pittsburgh Manufacturing Corporation. Pittsburgh, Kansas, I think it says. Pittsburgh, Kansas. And Wellston, Ohio. Any of my Ohio buddies up there know where Wellston's at? Anyway, kind of cool find. Later, y'all. Oh, I see a couple of these jars in here. Oh yeah, them it's got that checkered pattern on them, and fruit jars. They're pretty cool. And I saw another just like it over here. Well, no, it's got a little different checker design. It's diagonals. Huh. Pretty cool. Pretty cool little jars anyway. That's pretty cool. Little embossed bottle, says Frank's. No refill, or no return it says. No deposit. Frank's. On both sides. And I can't read the bottom, but it says something on there. That's pretty cool anyway, some balls. Later, y'all. Alright, there's some more stuff dumped back here in another spot. It's kind of here and there. Y'all check this out. Old cars. Looks like 3 of them. Let me zoom in up there. Cool. Cool. We'll walk up there and check them out. Alright, made it up here to the first one. Yeah. Oh, see there. And that, Pontiac. Seen its better day, I do believe. That's cool though. It's only the front half of it. Huh. Cool. Big visor on there. It's alright. Let's go down here and check this one out. Huh. Got an emblem on it, says Super. Looks like a tree fell on that. Pretty cool. I don't know what it is. Do y'all? Got a tag there. Oh yeah. As I was just looking down, way down in there over the hill, I can see one way down yonder. 1 or 2. I don't know. We'll walk down and check them out here in a minute. But there's a truck bed. And there's 2 more right there. We might as well walk over here and check them out. They look to be in rough condition. Old cars though. Uh-oh. That's a 2-door car there. Guess they and V8. Look inside of here. Yeah, ain't much left. Ain't much left. Man, ain't no telling the stories them old cars could tell if they could talk. Sure enough. Sure enough. There's some numbers. a plate. I look them numbers up and tell y'all about it. And that in there is just upside down. I reckon. Yeah, that's plumb upside down. Let's see here. All right. Well, I think I'll turn the camera off and explore some more. Real pretty creek, all solid rock bottom here. Just coming off of a hill. Starts right up there. But I thought, shoot man, I'll walk down through here and see if I find some treasure in this creek. But seemed like all I'm finding is garbage. And here's what was at the bottom of the hill. That there done had a tree fall on it. But it's just a cab. Done got the tree done growing into it there. Or around it, whatever you want. Cool though. Somebody probably needs one of them plates there. Been in here a long time. And there's another one. Oh, hadn't got a tag on it. International. Yeah, model D3-21. Ton. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pastor Primo. Later, y'all. See the insulator down there. I'll get it. Might as well. Oh. Yeah, old insulator. Electric fence insulator or wire or whatever. Pretty cool. Later. Well, I done about walked all I wanted to today. Just been exploring, looking around, seeing what's up here, all that. But there's a lot of trash around. Old coal buckets. There's an old one of them folding hoods, you know, hinges, you know. Part of it down there, I pulled it up, but there's all kind of trash in here, and this pile here, I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but there's a big pile right here by this tree, and I'm wondering if that might be a dump or ash pile or dump or whatever. But I'll come back later and scratch around. Appreciate y'all watching. I think I didn't do any detecting. I just explored. I'll bring my rake back and get the detector out and see what I can find in here. Later, y'all. Appreciate you watching.